So once I've determined the acupuncture points that I think will best be useful for the day and for that treatment, I use fully sterilized, disposable needles that are really no bigger than the hair on your head, and each are individually wrapped, single use, and I will find the points on the body, and that's really by using a basic map of the body. So there's basic structures that I'm going to be looking for to guide me. And my fingers have also been trained. I've been trained to find the sensation in the body. There's almost a little bit of a dip feel. Sometimes I'll even feel a little bit of energy for certain points. So once I find the location of the point that I would like to use, the needle is gently inserted. Sometimes people will feel a little bit of a sensation, other times they won't. And each point is different, each person is different. Once the needles are inserted, people are left to rest for anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes, maybe even a little bit longer. It depends on the nature of the treatment. And I might, in between that rest period, feel pulse to see what the change is going on in the body, how the body is responding. I may also stimulate the needle a little bit. Sometimes when there's an excess condition, I might try and loosen that up a little in the body. It all depends on the person and what their body is calling for. So when the treatment is over, I come and I take each needle out one at a time, and I will feel the pulse again. And even though the needles have come out, it's important for people to understand that the treatment continues, because just like anything, change has happened. So the body will continue to adjust in that moment later that day, and usually for the next couple of days, people may start to notice some changes. So when someone starts coming for acupuncture, I usually recommend they come once a week for anywhere from 4 to 6 treatments. It really gives both of us a sense of how the body is responding, what is going to serve them, and it's very much a partnership. People have to observe what's going on in their body, because I can feel the pulse, I can look at things, I can ask questions, but everybody has to take ownership of their body, and the more they pay attention to what's happening as a result of their treatments, the better I can hone in the treatments and get them to a real good steady state in a faster amount of time. And then ultimately what happens is they start coming every other week, 2-3 weeks. Really depends on the nature of their situation, but my goal is to always have people come less, because they will understand their body's energetic. They will know when it's time to come in for maybe a seasonal treatment, a tune-up. Some people may notice there's a certain time of year that their symptoms are just more noticeable, and that's the time they come in for more. Everybody is different, and we work with just the special individual and figure out the best plan that's going to help keep them feeling healthy and well and living fully in their life.